I used YouTube to attract a 6.6k client to my offer with a small following on YouTube, and also he actually DM'd me. I actually closed him in the DMs. So in this video I want to show you how I use YouTube to attract high ticket clients to my offer, even with a small following, so you can do it as well. This is for agencies, coaches, anyone who sells a service online. This will work for you, but I specifically work with coaches and agency owners, okay? But anyway, let's get into it. So here's just some proof of concept. Here's the small YouTube channel. So guys, here's the agreement of the 6.6k. As you can see, here's the agreement. Let me put that up there. And let's get straight into it, but I want to show you some more results as well. So this is also from me, the 2k. This is from me as well, and this is from my clients who made 4k just 5 days into the month, 5k 6 days into the month, and I've got way more, but you know, just trust me, okay guys? So let's get straight into it, okay? So YouTube is taking over in 2024, I'm telling you right now. YouTube will also make you a lot of money if you utilize it the right way. So what long form basically does is nurture the attention you get from short form. So what I normally do is get attention from Instagram, that's from short form content, from DM ads, from follow ads, whatever, okay? You can do it organically if you really want to. And what I do is lead everyone to my YouTube channel, and I also get views organically on YouTube, which does help, of course. But YouTube is just like kind of like the nurturer. So I get attention through short form, lead it to long form, it nurtures them, it builds up trust. And this is because you're in front of your prospect's face for a long period of time. So with short form, it's just 30 to 60 second clips, maybe 2-minute videos like I do sometimes, but it's not longer form videos where you can get in the real detail, okay? You can't go into a load of detail through a 30 to 60 second clip. It's just not possible. But to 20 to 30 minute videos, you can go into a lot of detail. And what I tend to do is always position my unique process in the center of attention, like I'm doing right now. That's my process. It's short form, long form video sales letter. Just being honest with you. I always position my process as the best process, and I always speak about it. I definitely recommend you doing that within your YouTube content. So we all have a unique mechanism to get clients results, and I would always speak about your unique mechanism and always push it on them and make sure they know it's the best thing that will get them from point A to point B, which is their desired outcome, okay? What I do and what you should do is give away value, not fluff. So what I want to, that literally leads on to what I'm about to speak about. Raw and authentic videos are taking over in 2024, and that's because they're not fluff. Do you know what over edited videos are? They're fluff. The editing's covering up the fluff behind it, okay? It's covering up the shit that they're talking, because they know it's so simple. It's the simple things that they're saying. It won't help them at all, okay? If they implement it, or it might get them a client or two, but it probably won't, because it's so simple and it's no detail at all. And people are actually sick and tired of it. As you can see, hour and a half video, 28 minutes, 35 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour long, 67,000 views on an hour long video. When have you ever heard that before, okay? When have you ever seen that? Like, it's crazy, man. Raw and authentic videos are winning. People do not want the over edited fluff videos. They want real value, and that's exactly what I do. So I posted this video, it's got 1.2k views, and think about this, guys. Imagine doing 1,200 outreach to try and get a client, okay? That's crazy. You can never compete with me, because I'm getting these amount of views on YouTube, and you're sending thousands of cold DMs to strangers that don't even know about you. This is nurturing my already audience, okay? So what I want you to do, what I normally do, is post a YouTube video a day, because as I said, raw and authentic videos are winning. You just have to set your camera up like this and record a video. But if you don't have enough time, I know you're a busy business owner, but do you really want to grow your business? That's kind of to think about. Do you really want it bad enough that you would create a YouTube video a day? But anyway, if you don't have time to do that, just post one to 3 YouTube videos a week. Make sure they're kind of like VSLs, so mini VSLs. And what I mean by this is, talk about your process, make them problem aware, make them solution aware, rub salt in the wounds of their problem so they know how serious their problem is and how fast they actually need to solve that said problem. And these will literally convince people they need what you sell. So what I would do as well is, and what I did is, create videos which will get attention. So this is leveraging here, like this, leveraging Guru. So I say Guru and Millions. So I'm leveraging kind of like the online gurus as leverage. So these will get attention, okay? So these kind of videos speaking about famous people, so speaking about famous people within your industry, what they did, etc., putting their names in the titles, anything like that, and that will get the attention, okay? So you can get attention from YouTube, and also short form platforms lead them over to the nurturing videos. So you need to create nurturing videos, and again, this is always speaking about your process, always positioning it in the center of attention, and always making sure people know that if they implement the process that you're giving, they're going to get to where they want to be, they're going to get to their desired outcome, okay? And what you're going to do, and what I done, is lead everyone to a specific YouTube video. So I create a video a week, but I've created a long specific video, which is a video sales letter, and this one's quite a long video, and it's again a video sales letter. So it's making them problem aware, rubbing salt in the wounds of the problem, telling them a bit about my story, rubbing salt in the wounds of their problem, making them solution aware, and positioning my solution as the thing they actually really need to get to where they want to be, okay? And what I've learned throughout my YouTube journey is it's okay to use call to actions at the end of your YouTube videos. At short form videos, you should never be trying to sell anyone anything. Short form videos is to get attention. Longer form videos like YouTube is to sell. And that's why I speak about the mini VSLs and the VSL. And by the way, you can lead everyone to this specific YouTube video by putting a link in the description, like mine in the description. You can go watch that if you want. It's an hour and a half of pure value. It is a video sales letter, but it's pure value. I'm telling you right now, by the end of that, you'll be out, if you don't even book a call and you actually implement what I'm speaking about, you will be able to get your next 3 to 5 high ticket clients like that. I'm telling you right now, with a small following. So go watch that down below after this. It's an hour and a half, so make sure you have time and watch it all. But it's okay to use call to actions within your YouTube videos to get people to book a call, or to get people to watch your video sales letter, okay? So that's what I've really learned, is short form videos, don't try pitch, just get attention, okay? And lead all of that attention to YouTube. And once you have that attention, nurture them with the nurturing videos, the VSLs, and you can also get more attention by creating these kind of videos on YouTube. So like the attention grabbing videos, kind of the controversial ones, and the things that are going to just grab people's attention like that, but always keep them raw and authentic. Like literally, Hamza, 49k views, that's crazy, man. It's crazy. These are raw and authentic videos. Montel, 67k views, 136 views per hour, that's getting crazy, okay? So YouTube is literally the best sales funnel. This is the best sales funnel. Short form content, think about it. You're getting attention, a lot of attention, or the right attention, which I like to preach. You're leading all that attention to YouTube, which is nurturing them, building up trust, which is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something. Leading people to a specific video, which is convincing them that they actually need what you sell. And boom, turn into a paying client, just like that. That's like the simplest funnel I've ever heard of, and it works. That's the best thing about it, okay? So a lot of people try to overcomplicate everything, adding in email campaigns and everything. Yes, you can do that. If you want to warm them up even more, you can create a free training, put it on a landing page, get their email, send email campaigns, so you're hitting them from all angles. But if you just want a simple funnel which will get you your next 3 to 5 high ticket clients guaranteed, and this is the funnel I help implement with my clients, use this funnel. It's literally short form content with your messaging dialed in, long form content to build up trust, video sales letter to convert them into a book call, and then you just sell them on your service. But the best thing about these book calls is that they're not sales calls. They're what I like to say, send the invoice calls, because your videos beforehand, your content beforehand has helped them overcome any objections they have had in the past, because everyone has objections. They don't really want to pay you, but that's an objection, okay? So that's an objection, so you need to overcome that within your content. And long form content is very good at doing that, because you can get into the detail about what they're actually worried about. So for example, if your most common objection is the money side of things, you can explain within your content why your service, or why what you do is worth the money, okay? What's it going to get them? How's it going to make them feel, etc., okay? So yeah, this is how I used YouTube to attract high ticket clients to my offer, even with a small following, and my clients here and there. Okay, so make sure you use call to actions at the end of your YouTube videos. Use as many as possible to get them to book a call at the end, or to get them over to your video sales letter. It depends what video you're trying to create, okay, and then that's going to lead to a lot of money. Okay, so hope you got some value from this video. It's quite a quick one, but I wanted to go into detail about how I use YouTube to attract high ticket clients to my offer. So it's not just YouTube, it's short form led to YouTube, because short form doesn't convert people into paying clients. I'm telling you right now, you can go as viral as you want, you're not going to get a lot of clients through that. You're either going to have to lead them somewhere to build up trust, maybe a lead magnet, but they're not going to put their email in, or you can do what I'm doing right now, lead them to YouTube, nurture them, give away a ton of value, no fluff, and boom, sales. Okay, so hope you got some value from this video. Check out the free trainings down below, the 1 hour and a half one, and if you're interested in having help building a mini personal brand and implementing this conversion mechanism, so we take over your editing process, we tailor an editing style towards your brand, we give you content ideas, and we help you implement this funnel, consult you on the funnel, and help you get your next 3 to 5 high ticket clients, guaranteed, by the way, guaranteed, or we work with you for free until we do. Okay, so I hope you got some value from this. If you're interested in that offer, book a call down below, or you can watch the free training, and that will give you a bunch of value, the 1 hour and a half free training. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, really appreciate it.